Hi there, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Marketing Luxury. I'm the founder of the LUX designation, and I'm a local real estate agent here in the Chicagoland market that specializes in the high-end, unique, and difficult properties. Again, no property is too big or too small. We work with buyers, renters. We have a team that can help you out. This video, we're going to talk about how the pandemic has affected real estate in the Chicagoland market and where people are moving to when they're leaving the state of Illinois, and where are they moving in from during the pandemic. So it's really important as a real estate agent. I have relationships with agents all across the globe. I'm a member of Who's Who in Luxury Real Estate. We were actually awarded in 2019 their MVP, their most valued partner. But we have relationships with agents across not just the country, but across the world. And again, migration patterns are really important. Chicagoland, as you know, is a melting pot, and we also have people with corporations moving in. Although Chicagoland's been in the news a lot for a lot more people moving out than moving in. But the luxury market has been affected in a positive way because of COVID-19. But I've included a link from the National Association of Realtors where you can click on and you could drop down to various states if you own properties in multiple states, and you can see where people from the state of Illinois, where they're moving to. In this case, they're moving to Iowa, Indiana, Florida. Believe it or not, New York is in the top 5. But that's where people are moving to during the pandemic. But you could also look as to where people are moving in from the pandemic. So take a look at that. My contact information is below. If you have any questions real estate related at all, please reach out to us. Again, check out LuxChicagolandHomes.com, LuxChicagolandHomes.com at any time to see any property that's for sale in the Chicagoland market, no matter who it's listed with. And again, if you want to find out what your home is worth, it might be worth more than you think, contact me. Michael LaFido, my contact information is below. Talk to you soon.